E kaunti wa Migori en mora ne ilo kaachiel ne jowete kata rowerego mabende ntiere kod wer mano mar wer bang' bedo kod studio mano mar timo wer kaluwore kod tiegruok mano mabende ne okel kod Kenya Film and Theatre. Rowere kaachiel kod jopuonj mago mag CBE yangore ni sani to koro biro bedo kod yot ka gitiegore e wechego motenore kod wer kata bero talanta maggi.
I'm a teacher of theatre and film, so this workshop has really helped us with the new CBE training. We are having a new subject, theatre and film, so it's hands-on training. We are being trained on video production, how to manipulate cameras, editing. So I'll encourage teachers who have not come and they are in the theatre and art space to come to the training, which is going on until next week. So far, there's a hub at Rapogi Center. It's a very good resource center where we can bring our students so that they see the equipment that is there. They also get hands-on training because it is important as they are going to join the careers in theatre and film.
Mimi kama naweza sema nimegain a lot sana kwa hii training. Juu unapata like kama sahii dunia ina evolve sana. So unapata kuna chances mtu anaweza kuwa na hizi vitu but hajui kutumia kama artist. Unaweza kuwa una own camera but kuna venye hujui kutumia. Na unajua tu ngoma video ndo pia kitu inaweza fanya mtu aende YouTube promote ngoma yako. So bila video poa pia na feel ingekuwa ngumu sana. Plus hapa pia tumekuja kujua vitu mingi. Like kama actors na artists, jana tumeambiwa that kuna organizations wana support hizi talents. So mtu anaweza waandikia hata maybe nini fulani apply hizo loans na atoe ngoma. So si lazima ukue unasema eti huna pesa but unaweza nini. Plus
Kenya Film ko tudorego fees mheshimiwa Nyamita. Osepuonjowa gik mang'eny kendo wagombo ni gimed puonjowa. Tajiwo yo mapuko biro ka. Ni gini ber. Anyalo advice jower wetewa mawinja sama weni ni mondo gibi uriri CDF mondo giyud knowledge mar wer. Kako nego bende gitimo ka gidhi e studio, gimonego bende gitimo ka giwer, gimonego bende timo kigolo video. Bi mondo yud knowledge no nika. Mondo ing'e mang'eny about wer.